Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, one and only original, authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes or imposters. And this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. And we're going to cut this open. I can cut it. This is a piece of electronics. I'll try this out later after I've had a nap and feed the cats. And this is a charger for my 2001 MacBook, which will probably work once I hook it up. The original charger, this got all bent and it would no longer charge. So hopefully I've got the right charger here. And we will see tonight when I hook that up after I've had some sleep. And I'll show you if that works. Then that gives me another Mac to use. All right, this is the original, real, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now, and go vote.